Hello guys, मैं हूं अनुराग. So as we all know that to run a Java program in our system, we need to install a Java development kit, that is the JDK. So if you want to know more about the JDK, you can refer to the Wikipedia and you can access all the information here. So without wasting our time, let's move to the part how to install JDK in our system. So type in the Google JDK Oracle. So when we type the JDK Oracle, our the first website came. So here you can see the official website of the Oracle. It provides us to install the JDK free. If you are on the Linux, click on the downloads button here. If you are on the Mac system, then go for it. And if you are on the Windows, then go and click on this, and you will find the download button, and then from here you can download it easily. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to download again and again. So after installing the JDK, if you want to know is it working or not, so then go to the main window and search for the command prompt. In the command prompt, search here java version. So you will find the Java version here. So here it will be written the version that you are using in the JDK. So in this way you can install the JDK in your system. So this was all about this video. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.